Wish you all once again a wonderful evening. If I'm not wrong, you all are truly having a fabulous time. We'll now commence with the annual prize distribution of the Boys Town Junior College. I request Mr. and Mrs. Kapoor, the members of the higher secondary PTA members, to please come on the dais to give away the prizes. They'll be accompanied by the principal of higher secondary section, respected Manisha Pawar ma'am, and they are being escorted by Anvi and Mayuresh. I request Mrs. Kapoor to please felicitate Master Bhushan Suryavanshi, the academic topper for the year 2013-14 from 11th Science. Please clap for your seniors as well. I now request Mr. Kapoor to kindly felicitate Miss Parvani Babat, the academic topper of 11th Commerce during her year of 2013-14 and is now the head girl of her college. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. I now request Mr. and Mrs. Bhamre to kindly felicitate the academic toppers of 12th Commerce, and they are being escorted by Shruti and Sahil. I request Mrs. Bhamre, the Vice Chairman of the PTA, to kindly felicitate Master Swapnil Patil, the academic topper of 12th Science during the last academic year of 2013-14. I also request ma'am to felicitate Miss Pranali Nayak of 12th Commerce, who has been the academic topper in her faculty for the same year. I now request Mr. Bhamre to kindly felicitate Miss Karishma Shishulkar, who scored 99 marks in a very difficult subject, that is accounts. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. I now request our school trustee, sir, Mr. Neville Mehta, to kindly come on the dais and felicitate our college students. He's being accompanied by the college principal, ma'am, respected Manisha ma'am, and they are being escorted by Anvi and Mayuresh. Master Vineet Bhamre from 12th Science has been adjudged as the best student of the college. He has excelled in sports, academics, co-curricular activities such as dance, writing, calligraphy, is very popular and has fabulous manners. Give a big clap for him. Master Abhishek Shukla from 12th Commerce has been chosen for the best turnout for the year 2014-15. He has shown tremendous improvement, shouldered the responsibilities when given, and a perfectly optimistic and ever so enthusiastic person. Congratulations to all the winners. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. We'll now be displaying the audio-visual presentation of Boys Town Junior College. It has been very carefully and exquisitely done by the principal ma'am of the junior college, respected Manisha Pawar ma'am, it will definitely give us a lovely glimpse of college functions and achievements. Let's watch it.
A very warm good evening to all the wonderful people present today. I heartily welcome our Honorable Trustee, Mr. Neville Mehta, principals, teachers, parents, and my dear students. It's wonderful to see such an amazing gathering for the annual day celebration. I extend my greetings to everyone, and I wish the celebration makes you smile and cheer you up with the joy and entertainment. But before that, I proudly present before you the annual report of the college for the year 2014-15. It is great honor and privilege to be the part of Boys Town Junior College, which stands for excellence and perfection in the field of education. I salute its dedicated and devoted patron, Mr. Neville Mehta, who visualizes the needs of future and brings in the plans to fulfill the needs. The college is now one of the shining stars in the galaxy of junior colleges of Nasik. We as a team pledge our devotion to march ahead strongly in the pursuit of achieving the best and the noblest. Boys Town Junior College offers a standardized HSC curriculum for science and commerce streams while adding in elements of value-based education. The students not only prepare for board exams but are also trained for facing various competitive exams like AIPMT, AFMC, CET, JEE Mains and Advanced for science students. We are tied up with a branded coaching institute, Science Academy, to give the competitive edge to the students. Intelligence plus character, that should be the goal of true education. With this belief, we have a prime focus on academics, co-curricular activities and sports for the all-round development of students. Let me give you a virtual experience of what our students do regularly at college. We start our day hoping that the choicest blessings of God in heaven attend our students. So we humbly pray in the name of God. All the classrooms are well equipped with audio-visual aids and teachers effectively use them. Reading room helps the students to study in their free time with all reference books. Identifying the needs of students, the teachers adapt the curriculum to accommodate the learning characters and abilities of students. Learning by doing can be achieved only by experimentation. We have well-equipped biology, physics and chemistry labs. The computer lab of Boys Town helps the students to match with the high-tech changes in the IT world. Counseling sessions as a helping approach are regularly conducted to motivate the students and help them identify the spark within. Knowing is not enough, we must apply. Willing is not enough, we must do. You can see our students taking the exams that stimulate the brain.
I'm proud to be selected for integrated batch and I'm sure I will achieve all my goals.
Co-curricular activities help to develop the all-round personality of the students to face the undaunted task and the turbulent world of future. The aim of co-curricular activities is to make the students fit for the future time and to provide a backdrop for the development of their creative talents. Let us now have the glimpse of these activities.
My college is excellent in academics.
It teaches us discipline,
Encourages us in co-curricular activities.
The beginning is the most important part of the work. The opening of the academic year for the students of Standard 11 and 12 was with an orientation session organized to benefit the students. The students and parents were made aware about the changed pattern of various competitive examinations. The college annual plan was discussed with the parents. Green Day was celebrated with a motive of caring for planet Earth. All the students and teachers were dressed in green, a color that symbolizes prosperity. The program concluded with tree plantation. A smile is the universal welcome. Seniors wish juniors for a bright career. A welcome function was organized on 7th August for the students of class 11. Trustee Sir gave a welcome note to class 11 students. On the same day, Sir's birthday was celebrated. Teachers and students wished Sir with warm greetings. The ceremony of Independence Day was marked by the presence of Trustee Sir, principals of all sections. The function started with the flag hoisting ceremony. Miss Ketki Shimpi and Miss Anila Pillai delivered a speech. A PowerPoint presentation competition was organized on 23rd August. The students gave presentation on variety of topics like globalization, global warming, population, importance of English, biodiversity and so on. The judges were Mr. Sandeep Darekar and Mrs. Alka Srivastav. A cooking competition with the theme Food for Brain and Liver was organized. The judges of the competition were Dr. Sushil Gadekar, Vice Principal of Hotel Management College, and Mr. Sushant Shahade. On Teachers' Day, the usual classes were replaced by activities of celebration, thanks and remembrance. Flowers are wonderful creation of nature and are one of the most beautiful gifts of nature. A flower arrangement and card making competition was organized to enhance the creativity of students. The students used their creative skills and imaginations to design the cards. The judge for both the competition was Mrs. Suvarna Shah. Handwriting leaves an impression on people. Developing a student's handwriting skill is very important in education in spite of advancements in technology. So, a calligraphy competition was organized on 15th of September. The investiture ceremony of the new cabinet was held on 26th September. The arrival of Trustee Sir triggered the ceremony. The student leaders marched sprightly and majestically to proudly wear the badge and sash. An English elocution competition was organized on 4th October. The judge of the competition was Miss Nisha Sharma. We organized cleanliness drive on October 2nd to make more and more people aware about the importance of cleanliness. Our students voluntarily cleaned the area in and around the campus. A quiz helps in improving one's breadth and depth of knowledge. A quiz competition was organized with the aim to improvise the knowledge of current affairs. The quiz was conducted by Miss Nisha Sharma. Never refuse to reuse. A best out of waste competition was organized on 22nd November. The jury was Mr. Chandrakishore Singh and Swati Tribhuvan. Celebrating your tradition helps keep you grounded in your own culture while adapting to a new one. Traditional Day was celebrated on 22nd November. The atmosphere everywhere was of joy. The importance of sports in the life of a young student is invaluable. Sports Day was celebrated in the month of November. Various field events were conducted. Everyone enjoyed the events and cheered the participants. At the end, Trustee Sir and principals distributed the prizes to the winners. Annual function is held for the students to bring them together to showcase their talent. A farewell party is thrown every year for students of Standard 12, where all of us wish them for their future endeavors. All these co-curricular activities definitely lead to the overall development of students.
A lush green playground appeals us to take part in sports activities
and helps to build team spirit,
which helps our overall development. Boys Town has given me the power and confidence to conquer the world.
Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. Dear parents, I now proudly state about our excellent results in academics. We are giving 100% result for HSC board examination since 3 years. It is indeed a hat-trick. Many of our students have got into reputed medical, engineering and architecture colleges. We have our students studying at BITS Pilani, COEP VJTI, DY Patil College of Engineering. Our students are also pursuing medical courses at reputed colleges. Not only engineering and medical, but our students have entered into careers like law, business, finance and management. I am sure that in coming years, we will find our students becoming doctors, engineers, architects, lawyers, CAs, entrepreneurs who will contribute in developing our society and our nation in turn. Overall, I would say that at Boys Town Junior College, we make students socially interactive, aware of environment, make them skilled, provide more opportunities to make them active and also motivate each one of them to do their best. Believe you can and you're halfway there. We believe that our college is a place where children of different abilities develop, learn and grow together. Thank you parents and enjoy the evening.
A college has given us the ability to understand our potential and believe that we can do it.
It is said that dancing is like taking a mini vacation from the stress of every day. And of course, in today's hectic schedule, we do need a miniature break for refreshment. So to make you all feel tension-free, here come students of 10th A with their songs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and Nonsense Key Night. So let us rejoice the retro and metro style with our dear friends.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Mambo number 5.